Hi everyone! Thanks again for joining me this week. My name is Darlene, aka D. This is my channel, What's D Cooking? Today I'm going to make a shortcut version of broccoli beef. What I love about this dish is that it's got a lot of flavor and it's super easy and your family's just going to love you for making it. So if you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more recipes and ideas. Thank you so much for your support and let's get cooking! Let's thinly slice up sirloin steak. I'm making a big batch, so I'm slicing up 2 pounds of steak. I use petite sirloin because it's a softer meat, but you can also use flank steak or skirt steak. Let's prepare 1 cup of teriyaki sauce, and I add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Let's go ahead and add in the teriyaki sauce onto the steak. And then mix it up until it's well coated. Marinate this for about 30 minutes to an hour to give the meat some flavor. Cover it up and then let's set it aside for a little bit. I prepared water and I have my broccoli florets, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the boiling water and just let that flash cook for a little bit, about a minute or so, until it's bright green. Just kind of give that little cook and then put that in an ice bath so it stops the process, the cooking process. You don't want to overcook the broccoli. Let's mince some garlic cloves. Thinly sliced 1 small onion. Let's turn up our stove to medium and add our oil and then garlic and saute the onions and incorporate that until it's fully cooked and set that aside. Let's turn up the heat to medium-high heat and add a 1/4 cup of oil. Next we'll put in our steak and we'll go ahead and just put that in a single layer and cook it until all the juices come out and it turns into more of a sauce and it coats the steak. Repeat the process and do it in batches so that your steak will cook evenly. Next we'll put back our sauteed onions and garlic into the pan. And we'll add in our broccoli. Stir that in. Finally, we'll add in our beef. Mix it in well and just cook it up for another 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and get this plated. Heaven. Can't wait to try it. There you have it, broccoli beef. If you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe to my show. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.